And I'd like to greet you guys at the top of the morning and welcome back to another episode of Wealth Wise Guru. And I'm your host, John Shaft. And it's Friday, October the 3rd, 2025, last and final trading day of the week. And we are investing this morning $21,633.24. Portfolio is down by, let's say, $500 with a buying power of $189.38. And so let's go ahead and get into the morning brief. Investors cautious is rising as a government shutdown raises concerns about the economic data and stability. Today, the market are experiencing significant volatility due to the U.S. government entering a shutdown, which has led to declines in stock futures and increased uncertainties among investors. Key things impacting the market includes the halt of critical economic data release, which could influence Federal Reserve policy's decision. Notably, sectors reliant on or reliant on government contracts are feeling the pressure, while some companies like Nike and Lipton America are seeking gains due to positive corporate news. Gold prices are rising as investors seek safe haven assets, reflecting broader concerns about the economic stability. Overall, the market is navigating a cautious landscape as it reacts to these developments. And you got the up-and-coming events. You got 1002, the initial jobless claim, which is on yesterday, I guess. This report will provide insights into the job market health, influencing investor sentiments and potential Federal Reserve actions. 1003, which is today, you got the non-farm payroll, a key indicator of job creation. This report will be closely watched for signs of economic strength or weakness impacting market expectation. 1003, you got the PC Index as the Fed prefers inflation measure. This data will be crucial for understanding inflation's trends and potential interest rates adjustments. 1003, you got the ISM manufacturing PMI. This index will indicate the health of the manufacturing sector, with implication of overall economic performance and market sentiments. 1003, you got the Federal Reserve speeches. Insights from Fed official may signal future monetary policy directions, influencing market reactions significantly. And 1003 also have FOMC minutes, mini minutes. The release of these minutes will shed light on the Fed recent discussion and economic outlook, potentially affecting the market expectation. The U.S. government shutdowns began, stocks futures declines. The U.S. government entered a shutdown on October 1st, 2025, causing stocks futures to fail significantly. This event introduced uncertainties in the market, affecting investor sentiments and economic data release. Gold prices surged amid market uncertainties. As the government shutdown unfolds, gold prices have reached record high as investors seek safe haven assets. This shift indicates a broader concern over economic stability and market volatility. Delay in key economic data due to shutdown. The Bureau of Labor Statistics will cease operation, delaying the September jobs report and other critical economic data. This could influence the Federal Reserve policy's decision and market reaction in the coming weeks. And so that's going to do it for your morning brief. And it looks like we are investing still $21,100 $21,730. Portfolio is actually down by $450 with a buying power on 189.38. And for example, my options that I have in place, I'm looking at this and it's really hard, and this is Nvidia. I rolled it a couple of days ago. I think it was Wednesday when I rolled it into another position. Right now it's valued at $1,500, and looks like this today is negative 85 this morning. Total $30. And so let's see. Like I said, I'm not a big crypto type of person. I really don't understand what it is anyway. Digital. If you ask me, crypto is nothing. It's just something that people does try to make quick cash because they don't know how to invest in the stock market. And the killing part is they're not even willing to try to learn how to invest in the stock market. And overall, my portfolio is down by $13.94. It's valued at 82 or 86 with 229 holdings in my portfolio. Tesla is down this morning by $11.39, trading at 424.73. 0.76 shares for market value $324. Not much on gains this morning. It's negative $8.75. Meta of Facebook is down $8.33. Trading at 718.81. Market value of 0.29. Market value of 212. There's not much on gain this morning with the Facebook, formerly Facebook. Boring outlines up by 60 cents. Trading at 218.03. At 2.3 shares. Market value 504. Not much on gain this morning. You don't really see significant gains on each stock until you have 100 shares of each stock in your portfolio. That's when you start to see significant gains. Till then, you just see small gains. And that's okay because you are in the building stages of your portfolio. You're trying to build it up. You're not necessarily trying to make a profit because you don't have enough or own enough in your portfolio to make a profit. So why worry about it? Your main thing is to continue to buy, whether it's up or down or red or green. Your main concern should be to get these stocks that you have in your portfolio to at least 100 shares each. There is get them from 100 to 500. And then if you're super bad, then you go up from 500 to 1,000. You go at 500 to 1,000, man, you'll be able to retire at least $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, $700,000. So Apple will have 1.69 shares, value at $4.39. Is at $2 return this morning. Google Alphabet Class A trading at 246.09. Actually up by 40 cents this morning. I have 100 shares of it for market value of $24,628.34. Actually made $35 or $38 this morning. Total $8,480. Amazon in the red, down by 32 cents. Trading at 222, up 10. Currently have 0.96 share for market value of 214. Let's see. Boring outlines. That's not boring. Let's see. That's Alibaba. Alibaba is trading at 190.72. It's up by $1.38. It's a Asian China stock. Alibaba is a retail store, just like Walmart is to America. Alibaba is to China. And you can buy order stuff from Alibaba as well. Right now I have 1.009 shares of it for market value of $192. It's up this morning about $1.43. Again, that's Alibaba. AMD is trading at 167.38. It's actually down this morning by $2.32. 1.66 share, market value of $279. Not much on return this morning. Netflix is trading at $1,159.50. Down this morning by $3.03. And people, no matter what's going on in the market, what's going on in the world, people wants to be entertained. And that's why Netflix is stock is still so high. It's an entertainment type of movie or television, whatever you want to call it. 0.19 shares of it, market value of $26. So it's definitely something you should have in your portfolio, but it's really expensive. So you don't want to pay $1,000 just for one stock. So what they have to do is use fractional shares. And fractional shares allows you to trade in dollars instead of buying the whole share. And you can buy this with as little as $1 or $5 in this particular share. That's $5. See, it's, even though it's very little, when it goes up, that still adds to your bottom line of your portfolio, no matter how small it is. Microsoft is trading at $518.93. It's up by $3.19, 0.35 shares with a market value of $181.65. Not much on gains this morning, as you can see. Starbucks is trading at $86.76. It's up by 4 cents this morning. Not much on too much shares of them, but that's going to change sometime in the near future. And I show you these stocks to show you guys what I actually have in my portfolio. And you're welcome to trade a copy or whatever it is I have in my portfolio. You're welcome to have these or buy these stocks as well in your portfolio. Walmart, look at it, Walmart 1.09, 102.61, up 90 cents. Triple billion dollar company here. I don't own too many stocks of it, but I have it in my portfolio to remind me that it's there and to build on it. S&P-Y is up by $2.46. I'm trading at $671.75. It's actually a 0.82 share, market value of $551. Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett company at $501.50, climbing on up there. Trading at $557 at 0.3 shares. Nvidia is down this morning. It's down by $1.62. Trading at $187.30. I have 100 shares. Market value of $18,745.94. Negative this morning, $170. Total altogether is $5,440. Palantir Technology actually down today by $11.20, trading at $175.80. 149 shares with a market value of $26,374. It's negative this morning. It's negative $1,600 altogether, so it's made $7,790 TSM Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing trading at $293.43. It's actually up by $5.32. Currently have 0.75 share with a market value of $220. And this is where Nvidia get their supplies from. Semiconductors from the Taiwan manufacturing plant. And if we was to go to war with China, it would be because of this. One of the reasons would be because of this company here, because they be wanting control of the semiconductors, and we use those semiconductor chips, in every from your automobiles to your appliances to your cars, your computer, cell phone, everything. So far, it's actually down by 65 cents, trading at $25.29. Currently have 20 shares with market value $512. Not much on return, as you can see. And so if you have a margin account and you day trade, keep in mind if your portfolio is below 25,000, then you can only trade 4 days out of 5, actually 3 days, and then the 4th day they'll give you a warning if you have a margin account. And so let's see how many days I can trade now. And see, I got 2 out of 3 day trades already in with metal in Palantir Technology, and today is 10:03. And so I got to next Tuesday to cover a 5-day period. It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 5 trading days. Weekends do not count before this comes off, because you only get you can do 4 within a 5 trading day period. But actually they warn you at 3. And if you go to 4, then you'll be permanently flagged as a pattern day trader. And thereby your portfolio will be limited to the amount of money that you can actually borrow. And you don't want that to happen. Now, if your portfolio is above more than 25,000, then you can day trade as often as you like. Or if you have a cash account, you can day trade as often as you like. And I think that's going to do it for today's video. Once again, we thank you for rocking with us and tuning in. This is the last and final trading day of the week, and I'm glad this one is over with, because this has been a really tough week for the market. And as you can see, portfolio is down $1,700. So it's when the week's end, it starts to get bloodshedding of my portfolio, and it gives me a break. I took a break on yesterday. It was just so much was happening. I didn't really feel like making a video with the market being like it is. And you got all this stuff going on with this man that's supposed to be president in office. And so now the onus is on him. This is his policies that are causing all this chaos in the market and things like that. So you can't blame the previous administration, because he's been in office now, about 8 months now. But that's going to do it for today's video. Once again, we thank you for tuning in and rocking with us. Ask you to support the channel simply by liking, sharing, and subscribing. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you will know when we are doing a upload. Again, we thank you for watching, and have a blessed day, a safe weekend. Whether you're going to work, you're off on vacation, or going to school, or what have you, you be safe. Have a good weekend. We'll see you guys again back here on Monday morning at the opening of the bell. Till then, be blessed, be safe, and happy trading. Baby,